New day, new exercise. So this is another exercise of earlier function. So we will be working out how many breaks you will need for each film using earlier, right? So I've already downloaded the file. This is the file, how it looks like. Let's see the situation. So it contains a table given how many times the author would need to pop out for the break comfort zone, right? In the film table, create a calculated column called number break. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one column here with the name of number breaks, right? Here, what we need to do, which show for each film the number of breaks needed. To do this, you want to pick out the values of the break column where the value of lower limit in the comfort break table is less than or equal to this film runtime in a minute. Okay, so this is a bit complex. So what we will do is already telling us to use the calculate function with the values only break column return, right? So we will be using calculate values, right? The table is this comfort breaks. Okay, and then we will be using this filter on, we have two or three condition, right? Comfort break table less than in minutes, so columns, break columns, right? Release. So let's do one thing. Earlier we are using earlier, we will be using film. Why it's not picking up this? With this, we are using like the earlier function, and if let's say we do not use earlier, let's say I will add one more column with the variable, right? So we will name it as variable, and what we will do, we will store this as one, which is runtime. Okay, and then we will use calculate, no, return calculate in the values from comfort break, right? Comfort breaks, right? And then we will use, so instead of using this lower than, we will be using upper than, and this is the lower than, and enter. Now we are getting same values as it here. So instead of using earlier function, you can also use this function also, through which you will get your values. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.